what she doing. Baby girl, keep doing what you doing. I won't tell nobody.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am iraallwayz, and on this video it's Memorial Day weekend, so I did a few fun activities. Went to the gun range for the first time. Who the heck gave me a gun? That's all I want to know. I am not a shooter, baby. I don't shoot. And you will see that in this video. But gun range, first time, it was so much fun. Then I went to an 80's party, which was ridiculous, fun, exciting, older people having a good time. But watch the video, enjoy. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. If you do like the video, like it for me. Subscribe to my channel. Allow me to go up, y'all, because I'm ready to go. I'm gonna keep putting out my videos once every 2 weeks probably, but until then, I will see you soon. Enjoy the video. Please like it and follow me on Instagram. Welcome back to my channel. Jesus. I'm at I'm at the gun range. Okay, watch this real quick. Welcome back to my channel. I'm at the gun range, as you can see, and we're about to get some shots. Why you want to bring my scary self to the gun range, I don't know, but here I am. I had to put on my muffs, but let's see what I can do right now. It's iraallwayz. What is it, AK? I have no idea what that is, but it's a big one. It's a big one. And we got 100 shots. 50 per box, y'all. I'm actually scared to shoot a gun. This life might not be for me. Guns and shooting, what? Me. You ready? I've never shot a gun before. Look at this thing, y'all. I don't know what the hell. Okay, here we go. I'm scared. Hold it like this. That's not for me. It doesn't feel good. It's so powerful. It jerks my body down. If somebody run up, I'm gonna just be like Is it ready? Nothing. What happened that I don't know about? Go girl. Keep the cooch inside. Hey, yeah. Welcome to the 80's party. With me and your favorite girl, Janae. Oh,
AKA Miss Dolly Bangs.
Dolly Bangs. Yeah, and I don't know who I am, but I'm here.
Oh my god, that sounds like a porn name.
Dolly Bangs. I'm like, what? Oh, who is
I
that?
was thinking of Dolly Bird. And then I was thinking of Bangs.
But Dolly Bangs.
And I said Dolly Bangs.
Dolly Bangs.
That's a good one.
I like it.
Where are you going, Vanessa? know this song? Whoa, 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 whoa. We're wrong. The DJ. Thank you, man. It's Amazon. 2-day delivery. Yeah. Everybody. Even my friend. Y'all have to take it. Amazon. Amazon. To me, love is a battlefield. Searching my heart for someone. She just wants her to do this. She's not going to do it. Look, she's backing up to the seat. Look, 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 look. Oh, she's gonna do it in another. She's not doing it. Vanessa, hit it one more time. Oh, 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 the key. Ooh, ooh.
This here's a jam for all the fellas. Try to do what those ladies tell us.
Shot down cause you're overzealous. Play hard to get the females get jealous. Okay, smarty, go to a party. Girls are standing in the crowd and showing body. A chick walks by, you wish you could sex her, but you're standing on the wall like you was Poindexter. Next day's function, cause he likes to cruise. Come on, fatso, and just bust the move.
Okay. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Jumper. Look, look, look. Internationally known. Hey, 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 Oh, we have your card on file. Y'all try it out. Go, friend! Go, friend! I won. We had fun. I'm soaking wet.
30 minutes, 1,000.
The first hour was kind of tricky, but we had a good ass time, y'all.
Get into that.
We had a good time, and I'm so excited. And I don't know, I think we're going to the pool. But if we're not going into the pool, thank you for watching. It seems like it's raining.
I'm hot. I need to get in the pool. I need to take off my clothes.
It's raining. You're not going naked in the pool.
No,
oh my
I
God.
didn't say naked.
Oh my
I
God.
just said clothes off like bathing
Him,
suit.
he said that.
Oh.
Look, he just wanted to have it hanging all out.
But
Hanging all out. We're going to get in the pool, y'all, at night after the 80's party.
The house do that, and y'all want to do that.
No. Hi y'all, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's iraallwayz and I'm at the bowling alley. About to get to it. It's two of us playing. I'm about to kick his ass right now. So just watch me kick his ass. Literally his ass. I'm about to play right now, but yeah, let's see how that goes. He forgot to press start, so that didn't count.
Sorry about that. Sorry about that.
Y'all, 3 points he got me, but it's okay. It's okay. Okay, beat me by 3 points on the first game, but that's okay. We got 2 more games to go. Let's see how this works out. My hair down because now I'm kicking ass. Watch this. Okay, this is the final round, y'all. 3rd game, final round. I won. This is gonna be my 2nd one winning. So it was best 2 out of 3. I'm gonna finish up. I'm about to finish up this thing right now. So I got hot chicken. Wait, what is it called? It's called buffalo chicken tacos, rice and beans, coconut shrimp. Y'all, this is a double vodka, $7 at this place. The Drunken Taco, I believe. Yeah, the Drunken Taco.